One of the benefits of roasting vegetables is that it's easy to consume the recommended daily amount because they taste so good. Even better, we can roast a medley of vegetables at one time to create an easy and delicious meal. Or you can roast them for soup, or serve over grains, or you can combine them for a salad. Roasted vegetables taste great because their natural sugars caramelize during roasting, resulting in bright, appealing flavors. And because foods cooked in convection have more moisture retention, they'll also have better texture. The vegetable medley I'm roasting today consists of root vegetables. I have red beets, I have some golden beets, some butternut squash, parsnips and sweet potato, with a little red onion thrown in for flavor. I'm going to serve this medley over a salad tossed with some arugula and a little bit of blue cheese. I found that this medley pairs really well with beef roasts and with poultry. For even cooking, cutting the vegetables to a uniform size is important, and to keep the red beets from bleeding into the other vegetables before cooking, I'm keeping them to the side of the tray, and then we'll combine them once they're cooked. Now, many recipes recommend really high temperatures for roasting vegetables, but keep in mind in convection, the heated air circulates around the oven, cooking food from the edge to the center. So if the temperature is too high, it can lead to uneven cooking. The edges can be more cooked before the center. The other factor to consider is your oven. For example, in my powerful 24-inch oven, I find 375 degrees is the ideal temperature for roasting vegetables. However, when roasting in a large 36-inch range oven, 400 degrees might give you better results. Placement of the trays is also important. For example, if you're roasting the vegetables in the convection roast or convection bake mode, then you'll be engaging the bottom and top heating elements as well. So you place the trays where they will be able to take advantage of that additional heat, especially if you like things like crispy potatoes or crispy cauliflower. Now, with this medley that I'm cooking today, I've tossed the coated vegetables in a little oil, but you can also just toss the vinaigrette straight onto them. I'm going to actually add the vinaigrette at the end of the cooking. Simple roasted vegetables, easy and delicious, and all the better for being roasted in convection. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.